Hello everyone, my name is Matthew, and this is Learn the Lingo. Welcome to Lesson 87 of Hebrew Basics, a series where we learn the essentials of Hebrew grammar. Today, we're going to learn a very common way adjectives are formed from three-letter roots. Let's learn a new root to do this, samek gimel resh. This root makes the verb lisgor, a kal infinitive that means to close. Let's see how to make the adjective closed from this root. The way we'll do this is take the first root letter, the samek, with a kamatz. Then comes the second root letter gimel, which is followed by vav with shuruk that says u. And we end with the third root letter, resh. Sagur, closed. This adjective, sagur, is in masculine singular form. To make the other forms, we shorten the kamatz to a schwa and add endings. Sagura, closed in feminine singular form. Sagurim, closed in masculine plural form. And sagurot, closed in feminine plural form. Let's see an example. Let's say the store is closed. The store is hechanut. Chanut is a feminine noun, which means that closed will also be in feminine singular form. Segura. Hechanut segura. The store is closed. Hechanut segura. When the last root letter in these adjectives is ein or chet, a patach will be added under that letter when it ends the word. We've seen this before actually with the adjective garua, bad. It also has this a-u adjective form, and its ein needs an extra patach to end the word with it. It also happens with the adjective that is the opposite of sagur, whose root is pe, tav, chet. The verb liftoach means to open, and the adjective open is patuach, with a patach with the chet. Hechanut patucha, the store is open, with patuach in feminine singular form. We've seen the verb lachshov before. It means to think. It's from the root chet shin bet. And if we put this root into an adjective form, we make chashuv, which means thought of, which is how you say important in Hebrew. Since the first root letter is a guttural, when we make the other forms, they will have a patach shva on it instead of the shva it usually does. Chashuva, chashuvim, and chashuvot. Important in feminine singular, masculine plural, and feminine plural form. Let's say this thing is important. Thing is a new word for us. It is davar, a masculine word. This thing will use the masculine ze after davar. And in Hebrew, both words usually take ha, even though in English we don't use the. Ha-davar hazeh, this thing. We don't need a word for is, but we can use the word hu to mean is for a masculine thing if we want to. Important is just the masculine singular form, chashuv. Ha-davar hazeh hu chashuv. This thing is important. Ha-davar hazeh hu chashuv. Let's also see what happens when the last root letter is hey. The root bet nun hey makes the verb livnot, to build. When we make the adjective built, we'll have the a-u vowel pattern with the root letters, except that the last root letter hey will change to a yod. That's something we've seen happen with the third hey before. In these adjectives, the yod makes a compound vowel sound with the vav with shuruk, ui, badnui, built. That's how it is in the masculine singular form, but when we add endings, like a, the yod makes a consonant sound instead, leaving the u vowel by itself. Banuya, built in feminine singular form. We also have banuyim and banuyot, built in masculine plural and feminine plural form. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you want to learn more Hebrew, please consider subscribing to my channel and checking out some of my other videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.